Stone quarry collapse has been reported in the capital city of Aizawl, and 10 bodies have been recovered so far. This, of course, is in the aftermath of Cyclone Remal. The stone collapse has been reported in the capital city of Aizawl, and search and rescue operations are currently underway. An entire stone quarry there collapsing, and 10 people have died in that incident. Let's go across to NDTV's Ratnadeep Chaudhary joining us with the very latest. So Ratnadeep, you've been reporting on the aftermath of Cyclone Remal, and you've been reporting on how there's been rainfall and strong winds that are being felt across the northeast today. And now we're learning of this very unfortunate incident in which at least 10 people have died.
That's right. Very unfortunate this morning around 6 a.m. That's what authorities from Mizoram's capital Aizawl have given us to understand, that a stone quarry had collapsed after overnight rain that resulted in a landslide, and the stone quarry and along with it in that area 3 houses were completely submerged by the debris, and from that debris as of now 10 dead bodies have been recovered. That's what authorities have confirmed us. 2 people who are injured have also been rescued. They have been sent to the medical facility. In fact, Mizoram government has immediately shut down all schools. All government offices have also been shut down apart from emergency services. So only emergency services will operate. In fact, airlines have cancelled their flights to state only airport Lengpui. Remember, between the state capital Aizawl and the Lengpui airport, there have been several landslides. There have been several reports of landslides from Mizoram as well. And not only Mizoram, entire northeast at this moment is facing the aftermath of Cyclone Remal. Although it has weakened into a deep depression, but the aftermath could be felt since last night. And even as we report from Guwahati, where there is heavy rain, very strong winds doing around, and in fact last night in several areas of northeast there have been thunderstorms. Trees have fallen in different parts, and also on property. So there have been loss of life, loss of properties. In fact, many of the rivers water levels are rising due to this incessant rainfall, very heavy rainfall. In fact, the Met Department has issued red alert for heavy and very extremely heavy rainfall in parts of northeast. Orange alert continues for the rest of the region. Even in Guwahati airport, several flights have been actually cancelled and delayed due to this inclement weather which has built up since last evening and continues. In fact, the road between Haflong and Silchar in Assam has been swept away by the rain waters gushing down the hills in the Mahasau district. You have also reports from Tripura and Manipur where there is heavy rainfall taking place. So therefore, and also in several areas there have been power connection outage, and in several areas mobile and internet networks have also been hit. So in a way, there is loss of life, there is loss of property as well. Normal life has been totally impacted across northeast, more so in Mizoram, by the aftermath of Cyclone Remal.